Hey cuties! So today I am inspired by Trisha Paytas, who isn't, because she bought from Balenciaga this shirt right here. And I literally thought this was a troll video. Even though she's like, no, I spent, you know, this much on it. It's Balenciaga and bossy. I was like, this? But it's true! I'm stressed. This shirt is $1,300. So I know that I can buy both those shirts at Walmart or somewhere like that and spend like under 50 and then have it sewed exactly like that and be high fashion, okay? So that is today's video. I'm creative, I know. Thank you so much for subscribing, because I know you're gonna right now. Let's see if we can replicate this shirt right now. Mwah. By the way, my outfit is so cute today. I got this high pony because I'm Kim Kardashian, low-key, high-key. So I got this shirt from, where's it from?
I don't know, but your nips are hanging out.
This shirt's from Charlotte Russe. My pants are from Fashion Nova. They look cute. Look at that. I have Juicy Couture slides and a Louis Vuitton purse.
Yeah, everybody knows.
Let's go to Walmart. Let's go get Balenciaga at Walmart. They have it. Okay, so we're basically looking for two shirts to sew together. One is a very casual, just plain blue t-shirt. And then the other one is more dressy, a button-up, bluey gray dress shirt. Also, how do you guys feel about this shirt? Sound off in the comments down below. I wanna know. Are you digging it? Are you like, WTF? I need to know.
I found the shirt right there.
Oh my God.
If there's nothing on it.
Oh my God.
It's fucking perfect.
$5.
We could probably find a smaller one for you though.
I think I like it big though. XL.
It's the right color, so, but that's way too big for you. You'll be swimming in that.
$5. That's kind of meant to be the look, because then you're supposed to wear it as that and then like heels.
Yeah, okay. I mean, that's very close.
You need to go to like the dressy section.
Shitchin?
So something like this, but plaid.
Not quite.
Yes.
That's like it. I think that's perfect.
They have an XL.
I think that's the one.
Oh my God, this like took us like 3 minutes.
Those are XL. Try the medium one.
Yeah. That is that shirt. And I think we got it. $24.97.
Oh, that one's a little more. We should make more of these and then sell them.
My Etsy.
That looks perfect.
Okay, well honestly I think we're good.
Okay, let's get her.
Did you want anything else? Some food, lube,
What?
dog treats?
Okay, so I was just Googling this to make sure we were close, and we're so close.
Oh my
It's
God,
not, it's
like
so
the
close.
colors.
They're not perfect, but it's close.
Copyright! Ah, we're going! Should I hit the Mustang?
You worry about the road.
I can't see. Oh my God, let's make a run for it. Ugh, sewing. I mean, I sewed in home ec in high school, but that was like 145 years ago, so let's go surprise my mom for a project she can work on. I have a favor to ask you.
What?
Can you sew this?
Oh my God, I just got up too fast.
It's a $1,300 shirt.
Can I what?
Sew it, like it would.
Sew it?
Yeah, I would like
It's not a $1,300 shirt, it says $5.
this t-shirt. Yes! I want just the sleeves sewn right here.
What?
And then just this sewn right there. That's it.
What? I don't know.
Like if you just put like 3 stitches here and then 3 stitches.
Why?
There's a really trendy shirt right now, and it's Balenciaga. It's $1,300.
So how do you put that on? I don't like that.
Yeah.
That's a little too low. What?
So you literally just put
That's
on the
idiotic. Did she really spend $1,300
Yes.
on that?
Yes.
I would never walk around like that, would you?
Well, I'm going to.
No, you're not.
It's high fashion.
It's not high fashion. I've never seen it, so it's no high fashion. I need a sewing machine.
Whatever you can do.
It'll take me a while.
Really?
Yeah.
This is so exciting.
Not really. Because you're gonna see.
Oh
yeah. No, I don't want it like that.
What does it matter?
It does matter.
Yum, tomatoes. Have you ever done anything like this?
No, fuck. See the threads in that side.
Oh, that's fine. It looks great.
Just
Oh
that
my
side.
God, yes. It looks exactly like it.
I need to yank that side because it's falling off and I knew it would. Right here, see that? I need to yank that side off.
Oh, you should wear this to work.
Are you happy with that?
Yeah, it's Balenciaga. Of course I'm happy.
That's why it says arrow.
Arrow?
It's ugly.
No! I'm gonna wear this to date night.
No, you're not. Samantha, don't go
Is
all
somebody
out
get-
like that. No, seriously.
I wanna wear it to
don't.
someone's wedding.
Oh my God.
It's high fashion.
There, go look in the mirror. It's pretty good, actually.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Turn around.
See?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Look, turn around. Hey, look.
You
could.
styled it.
Yes, I did. Hey. Now, okay. Now, different way. Yeah, we'll put it in a bow. Or you could have it like that. Isn't that cute? There's a number 3. Look, in the
3.
front.
Stylist mom. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have been seeing this online, then maybe if you wanted to try it, you could try it for under $30. Huge thanks to my mom. Shout out to Trisha Paytas. I will leave her video linked down below. She's the queen. I love her, and she's basically, well, she is 100% what inspired this video. So thank you so much, queen. So there you go. Look at that.